Hi, this is me. So I'll do my best to try the voiceover, mostly in Tagalog because this is the first fun run in Binangonan, Rizal, where I'm from. This was organized by Kuya Ram's Car Wash in Kalumpang. Okay, so Tagalog, di ba? There are, dalawa ang distances nito. Isang 10K and isang 5K. 10K yung kinuha ko kasi nag-train ako nito para sa mas mahabang distance. Nag-umpisa siya siguro around 5 AM. I forgot. So, itong nakikita nyo nasa starting line and it honestly felt good the whole run. Alam nyo, medyo nakakahiya kasi hindi ko kabisado talaga ang Binangonan kahit dito ako pinanganak. Dito ako nag-high school pero after that, yung mga pinupuntahan ko pa Manila na kaya hindi talaga ako nakakalibot sa Binangonan. Ito lang talaga yung chance na nakalibot ako. So, yung route nito from the Municipal Hall tapos tumakbo kami pa akyat sa highway and then may Dunkin Donuts doon way past that. Tapos umikot kami, I think, from what I remember ha. Yung start ng run, actually nahirapan ako kasi ang daming ahon talaga, as in, sobra. But after that, yung pabalik, it really felt so good, as in, dire-diretso na lang ako tumakbo. As you can see from my video. Hindi ako mabilis tumakbo but this one, yung pababa, as in. And nagulat ako although yung hydration station, mostly water lang, may mga snacks, may fruits dun sa pag-ikot, and then, may kakanin din pagdating namin sa around Binangonan proper. Hindi talaga siya tinipid. And by the way, mura lang to kasi 600 pesos lang yung binayad ko for 10K. Pero yung bib niya, printed on photo paper. So nalagas talaga kahit dalawa yung bib. As in nawala lang siya basta natunaw sa pawis and sa tubig. But I'm not really complaining kasi ang mura lang na registration fee. Pero sana next time makapag-produce ng race bib na hindi nasisira sa tubig or sa pawis. So eto, sa nakikita nyo, umikot na kami sa may Child Jesus and patawid na ako. I just wanna say, since kasali si Mayor dito sa fun run na ito, sana makaisip siya ng way para ipasara even a little portion of Binangonan during Saturdays or maybe Sundays. Parang tulad sa Ayala Car-Free Sundays. Kasi around 300 yata. I'm sorry, I forgot again yung sumali dito. Maybe a lot more people will enjoy these types of events more or mas maraming mahikaya na mga taga-Binangonan to get more fit by running or even just walking. I did not film the entire run because I just wanted to enjoy the view. Anyway, this is my official time and it's weird, right? It was not 10K. It was the same for the other people who joined the 10K race. I don't know why it did not make it to 10K. Anyway, I had fun, especially since may pagkain, may lugaw after the. So that's already a win. Anyway, here's my finisher shirt. I'm just flexing it to you. By the way, medyo mainit yung tela. That's why I didn't wear my singlet. It's the same with the finisher shirt, but I'm not really complaining. It's really good. I had fun. Bye!